Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So, as you already know, today is going to be a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. I've been getting Stitch Fix for a long time now. So yeah, I clearly like it. If you don't know anything about Stitch Fix, I'll just do a quick rundown. So Stitch Fix is a styling subscription. You pay $20, which is considered a styling fee, and that $20 goes towards anything you purchase. So you get 5 items sent to you a month, or not a month, at any frequency you desire actually. So you get 5 items, you pick the frequency, you can just request them as needed. You can pick every month, every 2 months. You really get to customize that all yourself, which is amazing. Yeah, so you get anything from like clothing, shoes, jewelry. It's all based on a profile you make, so you get asked some questions when you subscribe and they base it off that. And then when you get your fix and you check out, you can leave feedback. You can either keep or return it, and you tell your stylist why something didn't work for you. Was it the price? Was it the fit? Was it the cut? Was it the style? All of that. So the more you give feedback, the better your future fixes will be. You can also create a Pinterest board for your stylist to look at, where you can like add photos of clothing you like. I used to be very active on my Stitch Fix Pinterest board. I'm gonna try and do that more. I will link it down below. I actually take photos directly from Stitch Fix, so it's possible you can even get those in a future fix. It's not guaranteed or anything like that, but it's definitely a way to at least help your stylist know your personal style. So like I said, Stitch Fix is $20 per fix, and again, that goes towards any purchases. And I do have a link below I will leave that will get you $25 in Stitch Fix credit. So if you're interested, definitely take advantage of that $25. That is a great deal, I think. So yeah, that will all be down below in the description box. And I think I've quickly gone over everything. Sorry, I know it's like a quick overview. It's just because I've talked about them so many times before. I have a whole playlist for Stitch Fix if you want to see what I've gotten in the past. One thing I did fail to mention is that it is free shipping and free returns. So inside the box, which we'll open here in just a moment, there will be a big bag that is pre-labeled to ship anything I do not keep back. If you keep all 5 of your items, you save 25%, which is great. And just so you know, the average price for Stitch Fix items is around $55. And during that profile I was telling you about that you fill out when you subscribe, you can let them know what your price preferences are for each type of clothing item. So they can definitely make it customized to your liking. And I've had a pretty good experience so far. So let's see how today goes. So I'll unbox it, try it on, and then we'll continue the conversation down in the comment section. You guys have to let me know what you think I should keep, not keep. Your opinion matters a lot to me. So yeah, let's start the unboxing portion. So here it is inside. You can't really see much. So here is that prepaid package that I was talking about. So this is a huge mailer bag, so it definitely could fit anything you do not want to keep. And then here are all the items. I love how you can kind of see like the style and patterns, like how they wrap it up all nice and neat. And then there is a card here we'll go over first. And it says, Stitch Fix, your stylist thought these would look great on you. So inside here there is like an invoice that tells you the price of everything. Oh my god, this is my Stitch Fix number 30, my 30th Stitch Fix. That's crazy. So it says, thank you for letting us style fix number 30 for you, enjoy. And then it talks about all the items, and then it tells you what the subtotal is, and then also it tells you what the total is if you get that 25% off. So yeah, looks like these things are a little pricey. Hopefully I don't fall in love with everything because my budget's a little low right now. It's the first of the month, just had to pay rent and all the bills, you know how it is. But the other paper in here, there's a little note from your stylist as well as some styling ideas for the items that came in your box. So let's see what she said. So I have the same stylist this time, Abby. If you want to, you can change your stylist. So at the end of checkout, they ask you if you want to keep the same stylist, if you want a new one, or if you're open to whatever stylist. So I've had Abby for a while now, and it says, your style delivered. Hello Kitty, happy Fix Day. I can't believe we are already on your 30th delivery and that we have been building your collection together for the past year. In today's shipment, I chose pieces that would finish the warmer Florida months off strong. Let's start with the Stitch Fix exclusive gold ray black dress that can be dressed up for work or play. Layer the look with the Skies Are Blue gray blazer that I think you're going to absolutely love the addition of in your collection. For your favorite pop of some red color, go for the Karl Lagerfeld Paris ruffle detailed blouse. Pair with your current favorite denim or slacks. I would love to hear what your collection is missing for this season and what trends you're wanting to try this season. I hope you're staying safe with the storms in Florida. Your stylist, Abby. Isn't that nice? It's so personable, and she gives some tips too. So if you have any special requests, you can leave a note for your stylist. Like, you know, she's asking me if I want anything or to leave some feedback, because normally I don't leave any. I kind of feel bad. I'm just like, just send me what you want. And like, but you can be like, oh, I have like some upcoming weddings. I'd like some dresses for a formal event, or like, you know what, I don't really have too many jeans right now. I'd love to get more jeans. Or like, you know, you can really give them feedback. You could say, I want to try new styles, like whatever's trendy now. I don't even know what's trendy now to think of an example, but stuff like that. So you can let them know. So that is another great perk of this. So let's see the pieces. Oh, right on top. This is so pretty. This is by Skies Are Blue. I love the color of this. Can you guys see that here? Hope you guys will be better or able to see it better during the try-on portion. But this is so pretty. I love the green print. So yeah, there's floral designs. Kind of got like a ruffle sleeve. I really like it. And the bottom's a little ruffled too. So let's see how much this is. So the Skies Are Blue Sally textured top. This is $58. It's a little pricey, but super cute. We'll have to see how it fits. Next up is something by Pale Sky. Oh, I really like this one. It looks like there's a camisole in it as well. It's kind of falling out right now, so that's nice. But this seems like really good material too. I like this. So the Pale Sky Emin pleat detail top in burnt orange, and this is $68. Ooh. Ooh, I love red. This is the Karl Lagerfeld red blouse. This is so pretty. This is also $68. Gosh, I love red so much. And then here, oh nice, this is a black dress by Gold Ray. It looks like he has pockets. Ooh, I really like this. So the Gold Ray Maxim Rib Knit Dress, this is $68 as well. So this feels really nice. So let's see how that goes. And then the last thing, well, this is a super cute blazer, but I honestly don't think I'll need this for a while. This is by Skies Are Blue, and look at, there's a pretty detail in the front, and this is just like 3/4 sleeved. It's like very stretchy and comfy. This is the most expensive thing. This is the Skies Are Blue Hannah Model Scuba Blazer in gray, and that is $88. It's just something I probably won't need till like January or February, even if so. Like it, let's see, I can look right now. Like I'm going boating super soon. My friend's like waiting on me, but right now, oh, it's only $88. When I say only $88, some people will be like, wow, that's really hot, but it's like $95 on average here all the time. So, I mean, I'll try it on for you guys in a moment, but I don't think I would be keeping this one. But all right, so those are the items. Let's try them on. I'm gonna start with the blouses, but just so you know, my shorts won't match at all. I'm wearing like these like just comfy like shorts. This is like my go-to like cozy outfit that I wear in the house. But anyways, all right, let's try the first one on. So here is that first top. I feel like I should go closer because look how silly I look in my like pajama shorts. Well, they're not really pajamas, but you know what I mean. So I don't love this on as much. I think this would probably look cute with these like the high-waisted jean shorts that I got in the recent Dia & Co. or Dia & Co. Yeah, I'm just not really feeling this one. How much was this again? I think this might have been the more affordable one. I mean, compared, I think, yeah, this is the $58 top. I don't love it enough at all. I do love the color and stuff like that, but yeah, I just don't think it's really something I'd wear much. But again, let me know your thoughts. Okay, now this top I really love. So this came with like the camisole underneath, which is like really silky and nice, which you probably wouldn't even really need because it doesn't seem that see-through, but it's like a nice little perk. It feels really nice. And I like how this looks. See how you can see like the pleated detail, short arms, and on the bottom there's some detail here too. I like this, but this is probably one of the $68 things, right? It's $68. I do really like it, but I'm just kind of broke right now, but I don't know. I really like it. I have a big mirror over here and I can just see, I just think it's kind of flattering because it's not too loose. Like sometimes I feel like things that fit my chest, like this does, are kind of like big right here, but this isn't too baggy right here and it's not tight either. So yeah, I really like how it looks in the big mirror I have in this room. Hopefully that's translating on camera, but you have to let me know, you guys, do you think this is worth the $68 or no? Just basic back, so. All right, one more top to try. I thought I would just show you the cami quick that comes underneath it. So it's just like, kind of like V-neck. You can wear this like with other things too, so it's kind of like getting two shirts. I like that they're not actually connected. At first I thought they were. So here's a Karl Lagerfeld one. I think this fits well too. It is like buttons, like, so it took me a minute to button some of them. I didn't even bother with the top because I feel like you could go either way. It's got this ruffle. I just like love the bright red. I just don't know what bottoms I would wear with it. Like I don't really wear jeans. I'm like a dress girl kind of, or like I guess denim shorts with this. Would that look okay? But I think this one was a little pricey. Okay, yeah, they're like, I don't know why I keep looking. They were like all $68. But I do think this fits pretty well. It'd be like nice for a night out. But yeah, I don't know. You guys have to let me know what you think. So now I'm gonna try on that dress and then the blazer. And you guys, I love this dress. It is so comfy. This is the Gold Ray Maxim rib knit dress. This is also $68. I didn't realize how the top was. So it's like a V-neck and it has straps here and here. And I think it's so like comfy. I mean, you can probably see my tummy in this, but whatever, you know. I'm embracing the body positivity thing right now, but this is just so comfy and I feel like, you know, I could wear this out to dinner. Like I get a lot of use out of this. So you guys have to let me know. Do I look like a fat ogre or does this look kind of hot? Because I think I really like it. It's like so soft and comfy. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let me just throw on the blazer with it so we can see what that looks like, even though I know, I mean, this feels so comfy and this color is so cute. Oh yeah, I'm looking in the mirror there. This blazer is like perfect, but I just don't need it in my life right now, but it's so comfy and I think it like really like kind of dress up anything. It feels so nice. Oh my god, if anyone's in the market for something like this, check this out. This is so nice. The skies are blue. Hannah Modal Scuba Blazer in gray. It's $88, which is expensive, but oh my god, if I was living anywhere else, I would get this. I love this. I love this whole outfit. I kind of want to go like look in the mirror over there really quick. All right, so if I was going to keep everything, like, okay, so the subtotal for all 5 items is a lot. It's $350, but if I bought all 5, I would save $87.50, bringing the total to $262.50. I'm thinking right now, like my 2 top favorites are this dress. I mean, I love this blazer too. I just don't need it. I wish you guys could feel like this whole outfit right now is so comfy and nice. Like, you know, you can wear this when it's cool and then, or like to work and then after take it off and you're in this like cute dress, but still like appropriate, you know? It's like fitting but comfy. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so this and that like burnt orange top are my top picks. But you guys have to let me know your opinion because it really matters to me. What do you think I should keep? If anything, please leave your opinions down below. And again, if you have not tried Stitch Fix yet, pretty much try it for free. Get that $25 credit down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much in advance for your opinions down below. It means a lot to me. You mean a lot to me every single day just for watching this video. I love you so much and I will see you in the next one. Bye.